Sige, balik na ta. Okay na? Relax na ba mo? Okay, sige. Let's have more examples para mahinumduman ninyo itong rules ganina. Ganina morning na to. We have here, using the theorems on differentiation, find the derivative of the following functions. We have here number 1. Given f of x is equal to 1 over 5 or 1/5, what is the derivative of our function? 0. Very good. From Kiana, it's 0. How about the others? Usa gigamit from Maria Sofia, 0 gyapon. Usa gigamit na itong rule or theorem dire. From Maria Celeste, 0. Thank you. So we use the constant rule. Very good. Okay. How about this one? We have square root of pi. So we have here square root of pi. What do you think is the derivative of our function here? 0. Okay, now let's check. Yes, it is still 0. It's because our pi here is a constant function. Okay, our pi is a constant function, so this is 0. Now, how about this one? We have if f of x is equal to x raised to the power of 12. What is the derivative of our function here? Okay, paspas kayo maka-answer si Kiana, no? Na ang answer is 12x raised to the power of 11. Kung mata-mata, mampun siya, no? Nanapot si Ryan, si Cristel. Very good. And from Maria Sofia. So, di ba? Na-familiarize na ninyo ayaw din ang power rule. So, pwede na lang ninyo mata-matakon. Dali na rin kaninyo makuha ayahang answer. 12 from Raj. Thank you for your answers. Now, next we have 1 over x raised to the power of 5. Ilan na to answer dire. What do you think is the derivative of 1 over x raised to the power of 5? Negative 5x raised to the power of 6. Okay? From Kiana. We have the same answer with Kiana. Okay, let's check. We have negative 5. Okay. I wait, ma'am. Sige. Okay. Sige. So, nag-change yung answer si Kiana. Si Maria Sofia, na po siya answer. Si Raj, na apod. And si Raya. Okay, nabali daw. Sige lang. So, naatay, negative 5x raised to the power of negative 6. And di ba, if naatay negative exponent, kailangan nato siya recall your lesson with the law of exponents. Kailangan nato ni siya ibutang sa denominator nato para mahimong positive. So, we have negative 5 over x raised to the power of 6. So, correct na ninyo ha? Answers. Okay, how about this one? We have the fourth root of x. What is the derivative of the fourth root of x? Let's try mga different functions para dili mo makuratan sa exam. Ay mga ilahi ng mga functions ng given. You think? Yun na answer si Kiana. How about the others? Okay, na po yung answer si Maria Sofia. Si Raya po, na po yung answer si Raya. Sige, lang tawa na po ha. So, we all know that the fourth root of x is also equivalent to x raised to the power of 1/4. Okay, so mauna siya ang, yan na answer si Erica. Thank you. So, mauna siya ang rational exponent. So, we change our radical function, a radical expression here into a variable with a rational exponent. So, ato din apply an og power rule. So, we have 1/4 times x, 1 raised to the power of 1/4 natay, 1/4 x raised to the power of 3 fourths. Actually, this is already our answer here. Answer na natin siya. Pero if you wanted to simplify, or if ipa-simplify mo sa inyong teacher, so you can have an answer x raised to the power of 3 fourths over 4. Or 4th root of x cubed over 4. Okay? If ipa-simplify mo, so pwede na siya kaniin ninyo ni answer. So, i-multiply na to ng x, igisaka na to itong x raised to the power of 3 fourths sa itong numerator. I-multiply na din sila, di ba? So, nahimong x raised to the power of 3 fourths. Then, atuan na yun siyang, hindi siya negative 3 fourths. Ila ang 1 fourth minus 1 gani? Ako nakuha nga answer is 3 over 4. Okay, check ni Ma'am Awit. 1 fourth minus 1, we have 4. Ay, namalidate ko. That's negative 3 fourth di ay, sorry. Galing kay nakitaan. Okay, this is negative ay. Negative, raised to the power of negative 3 fourths. So, ang nahitabo, ato siyang balhin sa ato ang denominator. So, check tayo yung answers ganina. Wait lang. Okay, so thank you for correcting. Namali na. Mali na plus ang nalibat na. Okay, so naatay answer na 1 over 4 and 4th root of our x cubed. So, mauni siya ang atong final answer. Answer niya po nato niya. Answer niya po siya. Simplify lang nato pag-abot niya. Okay, next we have the function of x raised to the power of 5 over 5. Okay. What is the derivative of x raised to 5 to the power of 5 over 5? Okay, na the answer si Raya Celeste. How about the others? Okay, compare na to. Okay. Compare natin yung answers karon ha. Okay, let's check ha. We have here 1/5 times the derivative of x raised to the power of 5. Now, nganong 1/5? Ato ang ginaog si x raised to the power of 5 diri sa tiyang kilid. Diba? Naaman ay coefficient ng 1 diri to si variable x. So, naatay 1/5 di are. Dayon, ato ang buhaton ay x raised to the power of 5 diri. So, nahimo siyang constant multiple rule ang atong ma-apply, diba? Naatay constant function, naatay function of x. Ay f of x, at f of x. So, ang kuhaan nato og derivative diri kay kaning x raised to the power of 5 nato. Applyan na nato siya og power rule. So, ang nahitabo naatay 1/5 and times 5x raised to the power of 4. Di ba? Pag atuan niya siyang i-multiply si 1 o si 5x raised to the power of 4, makancel nato si 5. Okay, so ang atong answer is x raised to the power of 4. So, correct na ninyo ha answers. Okay, so medyo na-review na mo no? Na-review mo sa theorems on differentiation ganina. Now, how about if we're given this kind of function? This time, ang ma-apply nato diri nga theorem, di ba kay ang difference rule. Sige. Okay, ani ang given sa ato kung sa ang derivative sa tuwang function. Hindi na answer si Kiana. Okay. Crystal pod, na answer si Crystal. Si Ryan, na anasad. Okay. Master na kayo mo, kay Pascos na kayo mo maka-answer. Okay, check na to, be. Diba, when it comes to difference rule, X, ma'am. Sige. Diba, pag we talk about difference rule, kailangan nato kailangan nato pangitaon ang derivatives at terms. So we have here, find the derivative of 2x minus find the derivative of 3x raised to the power of 4. So the derivative of 2x, apply nato ni siya sa constant multiple rule na atay 2. And then, ang derivative dayon ni 3x raised to the power of 4, apply ng constant multiple rule o power rule, so natay negative 12x cubed. Okay, so your answers, all of your answers are correct. So we have the derivative of 2x minus 3x raised to the power of 4 is 2 minus 12x cubed. How about this one? Ay natin combination ni sum and difference. The combination ni sum and difference rule. What is the derivative of x raised to the power of 4 minus 3x plus 5? Okay, na answer si Kiana. 4x cubed minus 3. Nakaklaro. Okay, so na answer si Kiana. Paalam ninyo ang derivative ni x raised to the power of 4, ni 3x o ni 5. Automatically, di ba, ang derivative ni 5 din is 0 naman eh, kay constant man siya. Okay, nanapod sila yung answer. Sige, check na to. So, gamitan na to power rule sa x raised to the power of 4. Tatay, 4x raised to the power of 4 minus 1. Then, same pod kay, ang constant multiple rule na yun kay 3x. Then, constant function, so this is automatically 0. So, ato ang final answer, x raised to the power of 0, di ba? This is always equal to 1. So, we have 4x cubed minus 3. So, sakto inyong mga answers. Okay, how about this one, Penny? Taas ang function. What is the derivative of our function here? X squared plus 2x times 3 minus 2x minus 5x cubed. Remember, itong gingon ako ganina nga pag multiply itong polynomial functions, pwede ra nato ni siya i-simplify daan. Diba? Pakita na to, wala man tayong rational exponents din ito sa mga fraction ni exponents. So, pwede rin natin na siya i-foil. Hindi siya ma-foil dahil i-minute ko. So, ato alam na siyang i-simplify. Okay, i-simplify na to ni dayon, ang ato na dayon gamiton diri nga rule kay ang sum and difference. Sige. Try daw ninyo be. I-simplify ninyo daan para dili mo libog. Kaya libog man tong product rule man eh. Libog man to. So, gamitin ninyo, i-simplify ninyo ni daan. Then use the sum and difference rule na dayon.
Di ba kayo mga dili ang guro kay manot na nila? Tig naman ni katong mago ni sa ginilay ko magpermanent. Namin dito yung mga hand. So kuan ito na tutorial. Ay, course. Iba na ako na.
Okay, si nanay answer si Maria Sofia. Okay, magulat ka sa uban kung si answer nila. Kung check din nato karon na sakto dito. Sakto na siya permanent. Pero nabayaan mo ang saon. Siguro, ma-confuse lang mo sa ano, o na answer si Kian. Ma-confuse lang mo sa iyang ano, kung sa isang especially sa product o sa quotient rule. So, hinumduman to ninyong mnemonic sa mas dali ninyo mahinumduman if kato inyong ano, timailhan. Sige, try na to ha. Check na to try. Dili lang sa kuwang gigamit na formula, nagamit lang po og product rule. Okay? Pero same rin po ng answer na come up na to. Kung ato na siyang i-simplify, ito mali ata. Sige lang. Okay, i-check lang na to ha. I-check na to. So, if ato na siyang i-simplify, tapos gamitan ng sum and difference rule, same lang yapon siyang makam up na answer if we use the product rule. Okay? So, magamit lang tag sum and difference rule na simplify ni nato para dili na ninyo kailangan i-memorize ni kaning formula ni product rule. Okay. Try na to ning product rule ha, ng formula. We have, this is our f of x squared plus 2x times the derivative of our g of x, this one. We have 3 minus 2x minus 5x cubed plus g of x, we have our g of x here, a times na sa derivative sa tuang f of x, this is the derivative of f of x squared plus 2x. So, ang unahon nato is kani, sa derivative ni 3 minus 2x minus 5x squared. Ang mahitabuan ni, di ba, mabahin-bahin. So, this is, i-apply nato is ang difference rule. So, naatay derivative ni 3 minus derivative ni 2x minus the derivative ni 5x cubed. Same dire sa derivative ni f of x. Diba? This is sum rule. So, ato ang paunang derivative ni x squared o derivative ni 2x. So, nang nahitabo na atay, derivative ni 3 is 0. Okay, constant man. Derivative ni 2x na atay, 2. Okay, the derivative of 5x cubed na atay, 15x squared. Okay, nga ng 15x squared, gagamitan natin siya og constant multiple rule and the power rule. Okay, then the derivative of x squared is 2x. The power rule alam pa itong gamiton. And then the derivative of 2x is 2. Okay, nagets ninyo din nga part. After dire, ito na din siyang i-simplify. Okay, mag-simplify na ta. So, ang nahitabo, nawala si 0. Ang nabiliin kasi negative 2 minus 15x squared. Or, i-change, ayaw mo ka-confuse ha, ano na yun mong, na lang si negative 15. At wala lang siyang i-arrange. Una na ito nga ay variable with an exponent. So, ang nahitabo na tayo negative 15x squared minus 2. Okay, so muna siya. Dayon, atuan na yun siyang i-simplify na po. I-multiply na to si x squared plus 2x kay negative 15x squared minus 2. So, ato ang gamiton, magamit o FOIL method. Okay? Same dire. Pwede lang FOIL. I-distribute lang na to ni una si 2x, dire sa tuang sa 3 terms dire, si 2 na po dayon. So, nahitabo, ang na-simplify na expression na atay, negative 15x raised to the power of 4 minus 2x squared. Diba? Outer, negative 2x squared. Inner, 2x and negative 15x squared. We have 30x cubed. Okay? Then, the last one, we have negative 4x. Okay, naya po answer si Kiana. Plus, wait lang. First negative mo. Negative x squared, negative 2x. Negative, yan po ni si ano di ay, si 30, di ba? Kay inner, 2x, negative 15. So, dapat negative 30 dahil ni. Di ba? Namali yan po ninyo maestra. Ito nang i-change ha, wait lang. Plus, natawag natin derive, So negative 10x raised to the power of 4. Then we have, okay, negative 10x cubed. Then, so negative 2x, negative 4x squared, negative 4x, okay, correct. 6x plus 6. Okay. So, na-change ato ang ano dire. This should be negative x cubed. So, ang nahitabo dire, naatay, so naatay, negative 25x raised to the power of 4 minus 40x cubed minus 6x squared minus 2x plus 6. Okay? Negative 15x raised to the power of 4. Nara. So, ato ni siyang combine silang duha because they have the same exponent. Tapos sila yung variable. So, we have negative 25 plus negative 15 minus 10. Change operation, change the sign. So, we have negative 25. Then, kay 30 dayan. Okay, change operation, change the sign. Yapon, we have negative 40. Then, x squared, negative 2, negative 4. Change operation, change the sign. Is negative 6. Negative 2x plus 6. Well, let's see kung sakto yung answer ganina. Okay, so nakulangan. Nakulangan og 2x. Sige lang. Okay, nakulangan og 2x. Diba? Medyo confusing yun siya, especially if kaning product rule lang ito ang gamitin. So, mas better na inyong gamitin is, inyong buhaton is i-simplify sa ninyo daan. Na kung diri taas kayo, simplify na to. So, dako na to ni. I-simplify na to ni daan. Dayon, ang ato na nang i-apply ani is ang sum and difference rule. Okay? Para dili mo maglibong. Sige. Proceed. Okay, mag-example ko tag quotient rule. Okay, natay find the derivative of y equals 5x minus 2 all over x squared plus 1. Sige. Sige, try ninyo. Find the derivative of our function 5x minus 2 over x squared plus 1 using the quotient rule. Okay, diba? Quotient rule man ang applied ani. Sige. Try lang ninyo. Kailangan master mo dili pag-abot sa quotient rule, kay medyo complicated rin ba iyahang formula. Medyo taas yung formula gusto memorize. And prone kayo mamali usually ang solving the sa quotient rule. So you should remember the formula. Okay, si Kiana na siya answer. Sige, let's wait for the others. You can always unmute your mic if kanang kapuyan mo og type sa chat box. So pwede rin ninyo unmute ang mic. Okay na? I-check na to ang answers ninyo. Try na to check ha. Okay. Muna siya ang formula ni quotient rule. So we have the derivative of f of x. Ito ang f of x diri kay si 5x minus 2. And ito ang g of x is x squared plus 1. So, ang derivative ni f of x, i-multiply kay g of x minus f of x. Then, multiply kay derivative ni g of x all over x squared plus 1. Okay, nanapoy answer si Crystal. Okay, so let's first find the derivative of 5x minus 2. Apply na to na po ang difference rule. So, kuhaan na to ang derivative ni 5x, ang derivative ni 2. Same dire, derivative ni x squared, derivative ni 1. Anong gamitin na to kay x squared kay ang power. So, we have here 5x squared plus 1. Ganong 5 na lang ang nabiling dire. It's because ang derivative ni 5x, di ba, is 5. And the derivative of 2 is 0. So, 5 minus 0, ang mahitabo is 5 na lang ang mabilin. Okay, so copy si g of x minus copy si f of x. The derivative of x squared plus 1. Ang derivative ni x squared, di ba, is 2x. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, constant man si 1. So, ang nahitabo, 2x na lang ang nabili. So, all over x squared plus 1 squared. So, ako ning i-distribute si 5 dire, o si 2x po di are, so naatay. 5x squared plus 5 minus 10x squared minus 4x over x squared plus 1 squared. Then, iba remember, if na parenthesis ganito ang function, kaning minus na to dire, kaya tuwag i-distribute din sa sulod. Okay, so usually mamali ang mga estudyante. Okay, so dapat niyo i-remember, pag naka-parenthesis gani siya, or pag igani, i-distribute din ninyo dire terms na to. So, ang nahitabo natin 5x squared plus 5 minus 10x squared plus 4x. Okay, i-distribute sa negative dire kay negative code. So, nahitabo positive over x squared plus 1 squared. Then, similar man sa negative 10x plus 4x, so pwede na to siya mas minus. Okay, i-subtract natin, i-delete man sila same sign. So, ang hitabo na lang tayo, negative 5x squared plus 4x plus 5. Natin. Ay. Balik kayo si ma'am. This should be negative x squared di ay. Nawala ato ang, nawala ang exponent. Okay, so sorry for that. So, nahitabo di ay si 5x squared minus 10x squared. Okay, so natin negative 5x squared plus 4x plus 5 all over x squared plus 1 squared. Okay? Pwede na po na i-simplify ni. Para sa inyong gibuhat. Nag-simplify mo sa inyong denominator. Okay, nag-simplify ka po mo sa inyong denominator. And it's okay. Okay lang nga, i-simplify ninyo. Okay lang po na dili ninyo i-simplify. Okay, depende sa kung unsay instruction code sa inyo. Okay, sige, nag-gets na ninyo? Do you have any questions with regards to the basic the theorems on differentiation? So, mag-proceed na dayon ta sa derivatives ni. Hindi na natin i-appeal kay ano naman yung quotient rule. Dito kay trigonometric function. Okay. Have here y is equal to 5 sine x. Okay? What do you think is the derivative of our function 5 sine x? Okay, so na answer si Kiana. 5 cosine x daw. Okay? Very good. Our answer here is 5 cosine x. Okay? So, hindi po sila answer ni Cristel. It's because, as we go back sa atong theorem na ito ganina, sine x, ihang derivative is cosine x. Okay? So, sakto yung answer. Now, how about this one? 2x plus cosine x. What do you think would be the derivative of our function 2x plus cosine x? Okay, Kiana, yung answer is 2 minus sine x. Okay? Si Raya po, same silang answer. Okay, check na to. Very good. That's 2 minus sine x. So, i-apply na to siya og sum rule. Get the derivative of 2x and the derivative of cosine x. So, we have 2 minus sine x. Kaya ang derivative man ni cosine x is negative sine x. How about S1? Sine x over 3. What do you think would be the derivative of our function here? Cosine x over 3, ma'am. Okay, from same silang mga answer from Raya. Same gyapon si Raya. So we have here 1/3 sine x or 1/3 cosine x. 1/3 cosine x, ma'am. So, check gyapon ang answer ni Raya and check po din yung answers kanan, okay? We have 1/3 cosine x, or if kung atuan ni siyang i-multiply para masaka na lang, para isa na lang din ka, igayon na lang ang mabilin, simplify, so we have cosine x over. Okay? Now, how about this one? We have 3x minus tangent x. Applyan na to ni og difference rule. Okay, what is the derivative of 3x minus? Okay, nanay answer si Kiana. 3 minus second squared x daw. Do you have the same answer with Kiana? So, no, dali running in ani nga mga function. Diba? Dali ra siya. Okay? Ma-determine man nato diretso ang iyahang derivative. So, we have here the derivative of 3x is 3. Derivative ni tangent x is second squared x. Very good. How about this one? Y is equal to negative 3 cosine x. Okay, so ang answer ni Kiana is 3 sine x. See here, we have. Okay, very good. Our answer, our derivative sa negative 3 cosine x is 3 sine x. Ano man. So, ang i-apply na to is ang constant multiple rule. Negative 3, our constant function, times the derivative of our cosine x. Okay? Diba ang derivative ni cosine x is negative sine x. So, 9 negative sine x dire. Negative 3 times negative sine x, that would be 3 sine x. Okay. Sige, last na lang ni siya na example for trigonometric functions. And then, mag-rest na dayon ta. Mag-end na siya sa tuang lesson para kung maka-relax mo. Okay, last, find the derivative of the following trigonometric function. Y is equal to 2 secant x minus 3x cubed sine x. Sige. Find the derivative of this function. Medyo lengthy ang iyang process dire.
Sige, siguro Smith nga singer. Smith nga SMYTH. O yun.
Ano yung answer? Hindi na answer si Kiana. Okay. Let's check. So we have cosecant x minus 3x cubed sine x. Sige. So ato ang gigamit diri is difference rule, and then kani nga function ang ato ano yung gi-apply diri sa product rule. Okay? So itong first na buhaton ato asa ning i-simplify kaning naka-product rule. Naon sa nato na pangitawon sa nato ang derivative ni sin x ug derivative ni 3x cubed. So ang nahitabo natay derivative of sin x is cosine x, derivative of 3x cubed is 9x squared. Okay, di ba ipagawas ang gamitan na is constant multiple rule and the power rule. Pagawas si 3, bring down si 3, that's 3 times 3, that's 9x squared. Okay. So, atwa dayon ning i-multiply so yun ang answer niya na so namay, wala kayo na klaro ang exponent, no? Pero sige lang. 2x squared. Sige lang. At least nakakuha kag answer. Namali lang pa sa exponent. Sige lang. At least na-try og solve, no? So, naatay 3x squared cosine x. Dayon, 9x squared sine x. So, nganong minus na ni diri. Nga diri sa bracket is positive man or addition man. It's because gi-distribute na pud nato ning kaning sign nato diri sa gawas. So, nang nahitabo, natay negative 3x squared cosine x minus 9x squared sine x. Now, unsay nahitabo diri sa pikas? Anong negative cosecant x cotangent x naman ni? It's because ipangitan nato ang derivative ni cosecant So, mao na dayon ni ato ang nakuha. Then, mao na dayon ni siya ang ato ang answer. Okay? Misin si answer ni Kian di ay minus 3x. Okay, so, naalay part no nga nalipat. Pero, it's okay. Iga na mong yun na basta mag-solve, no? So, na yung mga parts nga medyo nalibat lang, ma'am. Sige lang. So, that would be the end of our lesson for today. Yes, with more practice, makaya, oy, as long as kabalo mo sa formula. Okay? Kabalo mo sa formula, unsaon pagkuha. So, dapat, i-remember gito ninyo formulas ganina. Remember to ninyo yung formula sa theorems on differentiation, katong pila to kabuok, dayon ang kato yung derivatives ni trigonometric functions. Okay? Kaya very important gid kayo to, especially nga upcoming ra ba inyong exam. Okay? So that would be the end of our lesson for today. So before that, mag-picture sa ta. Okay? Mag-picture sa ta. So nata ebidensyo kay sir. So, can you please open your cams? Gawas na gid lang mga beautiful faces. So wala na mag-open of cam, nag-open na si Crystal. How about Erica? Hindi ko makita ang upuan. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Save. Okay. Okay, so thank you. Thank you for attending our class for today. So see you next week. So next week is mag-review na lang ta. Okay, i-review na to from Module 1 to Module 7 para sa inyong exam. Okay, so see you next week. Thank you.